Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Google Keep Closing on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to fix Google Keep Closing ensures that you can continue to rely on it for productivity, organization, and access to important information without interruptions. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first open Settings app on your device. And then scroll down so find the Apps option. Tap on it. Next, look for Google app in the app list and open it. Okay, so on this page, you will find options like Force Stop and Storage. Tap on Force Stop to stop the app completely. After that, tap on Storage. Next, click Clear Cache and restart your phone. So try opening the Google app. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix Google Keep Closing on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.